I have a 1997 Chevrolet S10 pickup that I had lost the two lower blower speeds on, and after doing some diagnostic tests, it appeared to be the blower motor resistor, which is shown here. As usual, I could not find a video online to help me diagnose this problem, so I decided to make a video showing you some basics on how to test and how to diagnose this system. I used to work at a Ford dealership, and I remember seeing this name NDAC on a lot of the heater blower switches back in the 60s and 70s, so this name NDAC has been around for a long time. So have I. These 4-wire coils are resistors, and they get hot. Therefore, they mount this resistor assembly in the plenum chamber where cool air will keep the resistors from burning up. Here's another photo showing what I believe to be 3 diodes. I never could confirm that, but I'm sure they are. The white arrow shows the wire resistor coils on the old resistor, and the little red arrow shows the diodes on the new resistor assembly. These 3 diodes were from the old resistor assembly. 2 of them were shorted, where current would flow both ways, and a third was completely open. It would be possible to replace these diodes, but the cost of the diodes individually would probably exceed the cost of a new resistor assembly. Blower motor resistors years ago did not have diodes, most of them that I've seen and worked with. The wire resistor coils would burn in too, and of course that was obvious when you took the resistor out of the case that was the problem. And here is the number for the resistor assembly for a 1997 S10. Be sure to have your air conditioning selector switch selected to air conditioning or heater in order to test this blower. Of course it won't work if it isn't turned on. This isn't a good photo. What I've done here is hook the new one up before I remove the old resistor to make sure that it did fix the problem. Don't do this for more than a couple of seconds with that resistor out of the case. It needs cool air. Regardless of what make or model you're working on, if you'd take the old resistor with you and your meter to an auto parts store, then you could compare readings to determine if the part really was defective. If you will look closely at the wiring connector that goes onto that resistor assembly, it is marked A, B, C, and D. I've enhanced it here with white so you could see it better. Using my meter on the old resistor, A to B terminals showed infinity. In other words, it was completely open, no contact. The new resistor assembly from A to B showed 3 ohms. On the old resistor assembly, A to C shows 0.5 ohms. The new resistor also shows 0.5 ohms from A to C. Terminal A to D shows infinity on the old resistor, but on the new resistor assembly, A to D shows 1 ohm. Well, that fixed my S10. Good luck with your project. Too bad I can't use the song Summer Place in this end video clip, but YouTube doesn't allow that. Well, thanks for watching my video clip, and I hope that's been some help to you. God's given me many skills, and I like to share them. Thanks.